welcome to Drawing for Kids. On this channel, I will be showing you how to draw some simple drawings step by step so we can get to something really fun, really cool. So let's get started. To get started, you'll need some material, including some markers. Here I have some Crayola markers that are super thin tips, but you can use any type of markers you like. I just chose this one because there's so many different colors and it looks really fun. So there's the markers that we'll have. On top of that, you'll also need some paper. So I have some white paper here, scrap paper. Besides our paper, you'll also need a marker. Now I have a Sharpie here that I'll be using. So all you need is these 3 different materials: your markers, your paper, and also some Sharpie if you can. So let's get started. Okay, today's theme is going to be Bear Hair Day. So we're going to start by drawing a bear, and I'll go through step by step how I'm going to draw this bear. And then we're going to figure out how this bear is going to have a bear hair day. So let's get started. Here I'm using my Sharpie or my black marker. Now, where should we get started? Why don't we start with his nose? So I'm gonna do a round nose here. Not exactly round, a little bit more pointed on the tip. So next I'm gonna draw in a triangle, but with rounded corners on the lower half. Okay, we're gonna connect the ends here with one line, and now you can see we have a nose. Now I'm gonna dot in the eyes. If you like, you can add dots for their eyes, or you can have crazy eyes or big eyes or sleepy eyes, whatever you think will be fun. We're also gonna add on some eyelashes, or not eyebrows, I guess, to kind of give him a little bit of expression. So you can have him very angry, very sad, very happy. I guess I'm gonna do these ones that make him a little bit more concerned. Next I'm going to do is ears. We're going to do a half circle on one side and another half circle on the other side. We're going to connect the 2 half circles together with a line. The line's a little bit rounded because it's the top of his head. We're going to do another half circle inside the bigger half circle and one on the other side, and connect the bottom with a line. There you go. So now I have my bear. I'm going to now extend a line on either side downwards, and then I'm gonna go in a little bit at the end, and then I'll draw his arms. So for the arms, that's one arm, and the other one's like a tube, I guess. And then I'm gonna extend the line downwards and a little curve there, like a half circle. And I'll do another half circle here and connect that to that point there. A straight line, or it can be a curvy line. It could be a very curvy bear. And connect the 2 half circles there with another line. Now, what should we do in the tummy in the middle? Let's give him a patch in the front. So we'll do a curve, like a half circle or half oval there, and there's his tummy. He looks a little plain right now. Why don't we add something on his chest? Maybe a little bit of fur. Let's count together and see how many. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I think I lost count. Well, why don't you add on fur onto your bear as well, and then maybe decide if you don't want, you can do a heart in the front of the bear, or a star, or something you like. Now here's our bear, and now we're gonna figure out what kind of hair day he's having. I'm gonna use a different color marker from my Crayola marker set. So I think I'm gonna give him blue hair. Would that be nice? Or purple hair? What kind of hair do you like? What kind of color hair would you like? I will go with blue for now. And then I need to think about what kind of hair day this bear is having. Is he having a good hair day? Is he having a curly hair day? Is he having a spiky hair day? Maybe he's having a bowl cut hair day. What kind of hair should we do? Maybe I'll just do curly hair for him just to try it out. Now you can do whatever hairstyle you want for your bear. So for me, I'm going to do curly hair. Okay? So I start on one side and I'm going to go in circles. Curl around. And I'm going to go all around his head. His hair looks a bit thin. I'm going to curl back. There you go. Now we have a little bit more hair. And he has blue hair too. Now isn't that cool? Blue hair for a bear. Can you imagine? Okay, I'm also going to color his nose in with blue to match his hair. Feel free to color whatever color you would like for his nose. And I'm going to color in his ears. I'm going to add a little bit of freckles on him, maybe 3 dots, and then maybe color in his paws as well. Next, I'm going to give him a little bow tie. Wouldn't that be fun? I think that would be cute. What else? I think I should add other accessories for him. Add more hair. Maybe he needs to hold something in his hand. What should he hold? Maybe he should hold a comb because he's trying to straighten his curly hair. Okay, so let's add in a comb. And there's our bear. What do you think so far? Do you like the type of bear we have? Should we add more colors? Well, I think he looks pretty good so far. If you like, you can stop at the step right here, or you can move on and color in the full bear. But he looks like a lot of fun so far. And if you want, you can do a similar bear again and do a different hairstyle. And just remember to sign your work and date it at the very end, so you can keep a record to see how your art has been. And you can look back on it later. So ta-da! That's the bear we have so far. I hope you enjoyed this session. But if you want to join in the coloring portion, I'll be doing that in the next portion. So join in and follow along. Okay, so now I'm going to color in the rest of my bear. Now what color should I do? I already have blue hair and blue nose and a blue comb and also a blue bow tie. Should I do gray or yellow? Let's do yellow because I think that will add a punch of color and make him look really cool. And plus I've never seen a yellow bear before, so why not? So here you go. I'm going to paint in the yellow. You can choose to color in the entire bear in yellow or just different sections of the bear. Or perhaps you like, you can add on clothes for him as well. So there you go. I think to wrap up, I'm going to add in some peach colored cheeks for him. Now, don't you like these rosy cheeks? Aren't they adorable? Well, I hope you enjoyed this drawing of Bear Hair Day. If you like, come join me for my next drawing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.